Keeping Up with Kaylee. And today I have a special guest here. It's my brother, Kaden. And today what we are going to be doing is making slime. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get into the video. So first we're going to move our slime. So let's put that to the side. Okay guys, so now what we need is 1 cup of warm water.
And a teaspoon
of
borax.
We're just gonna pour it in, let it dissolve, and then just mix it a little bit. And then we're just gonna put that to the side. Okay guys, so now what we need is glue.
Pull it to you.
We need some glue, shaving cream, foaming hand soap,
Cornstarch.
and cornstarch. So we're just gonna grab our bowls right here.
Give Kaden a bowl.
And so my brother's gonna have some too. So he's has some glue and whatever, and all the stuff that I have. And so we're just gonna grab our bowls right here. And first, and one for me. I'm just gonna be telling you guys that check the description box down below. It's gonna have all the ingredients and all the measurements. And so now you're gonna check there. And now we're just gonna get on to the point part.
Okay, so what you have first?
We have our glue, so you just wanna like stir it around and like just drop it in the bowl.
Get it, Kaden. Get your glue. With your spatula.
And now that you did that,
Wait, make sure you clean the bowl.
you want to clean the bowl. You want to clean the bowl like that. And then grab your foaming hand soap,
Shaving cream.
Ooh. And then you just like grab it around. This is messy. And then we got our foaming hand soap. It's really looping and gets out really fast. So you guys want to like ask a parent or
Get your shave it.
your mom or dad or your auntie, whatever you have there, for someone to help you. And so now we're just gonna keep stirring it, and then we're gonna put our cornstarch in.
But you need to stir that first.
But we're gonna need to stir this first. So you guys wanna mix it up until it looks like shaving cream.
Let's see. Let's see yours, Kaden. Move your head.
And so this is mine. You wanna mix it really slow. And so you wanna keep mixing it, get it off the sides. But this is a really hard part. So if you're a small kid, ask your parent or your auntie or your mom. So we're just gonna mix in it. We're gonna put our cornstarch in. And then keep mixing it until all the cornstarch gets away. And then we can add all our other ingredients. Just like this, you guys. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to add a couple of pumps of Lotion. 1, 2, 3. And then you have to stir it in more because it will make it really stretchy. And then it's almost time to make it slime. So now what we are gonna do is add food coloring. So me and Kaden, if you want, but if you just wanna leave it like a certain color, like white, you can do it. And so Kaden's gonna add, which one are you gonna add? So
grab it.
Kaden's gonna add yellow. Now I'm gonna pick red and Kaden's gonna pick yellow. Now I'm gonna add a couple pumps just like my brother. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
6. And so now we're going to stir it up.
Whoa.
Wow. Yours, mine looks like ketchup and yours looks like mustard.
No, yours looks kind of like blood. When you like bleed.
Let me see yours.
Mine looks like mustard.
Mine looks like ketchup.
Oh.
Yeah, to me, it looks like kind of bloodish.
So what are you gonna do, Kaylee?
We are just we're gonna mix it up until we get all the stuff to look like
I
it's
think I'm done.
slime. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon at a time. So me and my brother have 1. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. You add
Keep
3,
going.
Mix.
Oh yeah,
Add
mix.
3, mix, and then you can add some more.
Go ahead, Kaylee. Put 3 in there.
Look at my slime, Daddy.
One more, because that first one was in a whole scoop.
Go slow, Kaden. Okay.
Now mix it.
Mix
Mine is turning slime now.
Yours turned into slime. Keep stirring.
Huh?
Keep stirring.
It looks like kind of sticky.
Look at this.
You gotta stir it in. You gotta mix it in.
This is
Mhm.
I'm gonna have some more borax.
Look at this, Kelly.
And then 3 more.
Mine actually is turning into slime. Look, mine is almost slime.
Now we're just gonna work it with our hands and put the spatula to the side, and then we're going to just put more borax for less stickiness.
Good job.
So now,
You gotta stretch it out. Tell me.
you have to stretch it out. It might get messy, but don't worry. We're just gonna add some more borax to it. Don't worry. You can wash your hands or put some more borax. Here, guys, here's the final product. You could stretch it, you could bounce it, and you can roll it, and you could turn it to a ball, and you could stretch it really far. But not that far because you have to like roll it first and then like stretch it, and it bounces so much you can take it anywhere as long as you put it in like something that will like make it still stay and not
Storage.
a container. And so see, so here a storage container. It will keep it stretched